Hey guys, and welcome to Carguy1999 reviews as well as Quark Automotive. Today we have the comparison between the Volkswagen Arteon R-Line and the Kia Stinger GT. Both of these are the respective manufacturer's flagship sedan, except for Kia, they have the K900, but it's the flagship performance vehicle. The Arteon is Volkswagen's top-end sedan. Both of these are liftback designs. Meaning you have a hatchback design. Stinger comes in at $48,745. Nice leather wrapped key. Really nice distinctive design to the Stinger. Brembo brakes all around. And then you have the Arteon. Extremely beautiful design. I mean, you look at the two of them and they are beautiful cars, make no doubt about that. But I think the Arteon just has a little bit more elegance to it in terms of exterior appearance. Both of these are all-wheel drive, and this one stickers in at $45,149, $5,000 less than the Stinger. So without further ado, let's go ahead, take these out on the road, and see which one is the best. Alright, and now we're driving the Arteon. First in the line up. Interior, really nice. Even though this is all plastic, it's very, it's like a rubberized plastic. It's really nice to the touch though. And where your knee rests is soft touch as well. I think the biggest disadvantage between this and the Stinger is this powertrain. The Arteon is only fitted, it only comes with a 2.0 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. The Stinger, on the other hand, has a GT line where you can get a similar engine with similar horsepower. I think it's like 270 is for the both of them. I just would wish for a little bit more, but even without that, this is very luxurious. Everything feels great to the touch. The Volkswagen digital cockpit. Even with only 270 horsepower, this thing pulls pretty well. Visibility to the outside world, really nice. So the Arteon has a lot going for it. It has its amazing looks. It has all this switchgear, all these features. The one thing that's missing out of here is ventilated seats. I'm surprised at this price point that they don't offer ventilated seats. That's something that the Stinger GT1 has, that this does not. I mean, 4-cylinders don't typically sound good. This isn't bad at all. It's very refined in here. There's not a lot of outside noise. it does drive quite well. Rearward visibility, just due to the nature of these cars, is going to be a little bit limited. Both cars do have paddles behind the wheels. These are relatively small. Not a big fan of them. They're very effective. They work. But for the R line, I would expect something a little bit different. It's not bad. The Stinger is going to have to put up a big fight. I expect it to have a lot more power, but what this comparison is looking at is refinement, being fun to drive, and being luxurious. Kind of looking at that, but even with its disadvantage in power, it handles remarkably well. So yeah, the Stinger's gonna have to put up a big fight in order to beat the Arteon, so let's see if it does it. Alright, and kind of as a surprise in the video, mainly because it was a surprise to me, I didn't plan for it. Shut up. We have one of the employees of Quirk Volkswagen's Arteon. This one is APR plus tuned, producing 360 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. Once I said that I was comparing the Arteon and Stinger, he offered, hey, why don't you have an Arteon that can actually keep up with a Stinger? And I said, I'll throw it in the video. This one's lowered on some coilovers and fitted with Rohana wheels. So it's a really, really nice build. Even with the coilovers, it rides really well. These Arteons are wonderful vehicles. Yeah, this, even with the 2.0 in the Arteon, as you can see here, it definitely has some aftermarket potential, and it can outrun a Stinger easily. Best part is, with this tune, you still maintain your warranty. Bloody Nora. Man, oh man. That's frankly absurd. See, this is what the Arteon should have been. Gives this thing a tune, and it wakes itself up. what a car. You know, I'll do the full loop. Thank you so much, Devin, for allowing me to take this thing out. Will it be in the actual comparison? I don't really know. It's definitely going to be a really good footnote, that's for sure. Because this is a car. And this is less than a GT2 Stinger, fully loaded and all that. Oh, it does have ventilated seats. Frankly, crazy. But with this quick little footnote of an Arteon, I say it's time to take out the Stinger. Alright, and now it's time to drive the Stinger. Instantly, once you're inside, you feel like you're in something much more expensive than these cars. Every material feels phenomenal, except for the visor that isn't latched. All this is actual leather. It's not plastic. This red leather is super comfortable. The steering wheel is phenomenal. Really, really good to the touch. And the sound is that of a luxury car. See, in my mind, a luxury car should not have anything less than a 4-cylinder. Or I mean a 6-cylinder. And even after stepping out of the tuned Arteon, which I was using to try to sway me from loving the Stinger, I don't know. There's just something so amazing about these cars. Every time I drive one, I fall in love. And while it is not nearly as attractive on the outside as the Arteon, it is a heck of a lot more attractive on the inside, and a lot more attractive behind the wheel. This car is outstanding. wow. This thing, I don't know. It's... So it might have more power. Well, no, it does have more power. Might have a more luxurious interior. But what is it like to drive? Frankly, like a Porsche. It is. I'd rather have one of these than a Panamera. Once you turn in, you can, and you apply power, you feel the rear start to step out and the front claw you through a corner. It's, everything's working together for the driver. There's just something about the Stinger that puts it a level above the rest. This 7-speed transmission is phenomenal as well. Goes through shifts nice and quickly. In manual mode, it's fantastic. So, which one would I buy with my money? It's a lot closer than you might think. We'll start with second place. I'll give you guys a hint. It's a 2020. I know that gives away a lot. So, is it the Stinger or the Arteon? The winner of this comparison test, even though it's fantastic to drive, well, even though the loser, or the second place contender, I shouldn't say loser because both cars are phenomenal, even the second place contender being a lot of fun to drive, the winner is the 2020 Kia Stinger GT. The Arteon just couldn't claw itself away from the fact that it has a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder powering it. Even though the exterior looks a lot better, it just can't beat the six cylinder in the Stinger. With that, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.